evening, sir.
Thanks, Azaz. Thanks, Ravi. Let's get started. I do not really have a great agenda, but I just thought of covering this session because I felt like from the last session, I felt this is something which is really important that we must cover. That's where I mentioned like Boolean in Boolean, basically. Let me just take up the concept. So any idea what is Boolean in Boolean? Any thought process around it? Any idea around it? Just share. Unmute yourself and
It is just two short booleans, just like loops, adding a boolean in the
Nested
boolean.
loops. I think we
Nested loop,
mentioned a
exactly.
little bit of it last time also in the last few minutes of the last session, how to group the booleans together.
all right. Any further ideas? Creating in-depth analysis of Boolean logic. Basically writing 10-liner code in one-liner. Why do we say that? Basically writing 10-liner code in one-liner and all. A most optimized version of writing a code, what we call it in the coding language, if you would have heard from the interviewers or from the coders. Just try to share some of the thought process around it. Why do we call it as Boolean in Boolean, in-depth analysis of Boolean logic? What were our misunderstandings around Boolean?
According to what I have understood, to reach from to get one result, a person can write a 100 lines code also, or somebody can write for the same result maybe a 5-line code also. So how do we write a clean code would depend on it. I mean, like the logic, or how can we optimize it? I think that would be the main.
Mostly the optimization part is there. Definitely you are kind of a spot on. So let's say last time, the first misunderstanding. Sharma, you wanted to share something?
No, please carry on, sorry.
Okay.
Shiv, your voice is little feeble.
Is it for everyone or is it for everyone?
No, clear. No, it's clear, Shiv.
It's clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
So I think Joyita, maybe you'll have to check your net.
Okay.
Okay. So first thing, like last week we realized some of our members were telling that they thought like this double quotes would work only for that particular phrase as it is, but wherein a star within the double quote wouldn't work. Anyone here who believes that star within the double quotes wouldn't work? So let's say this is something like this. Software engineer. Let's say if we use this thing, or if we give this thing. Which one is correct?
Second one same.
First one is not correct.
The asterisk one will give examples like software development engineer, or asterisk is working as a placeholder over here.
Absolutely. So as a logic, we understand that double quotes would only take as a phrase as it is. But again, understanding, that's where I mentioned a sentence about in-depth analysis of Boolean and understanding the Boolean logic. So star is still a fill in the blanks. Double quotes is still a double quotes, wherein when we put that star within the two double quotes, that star would still work as a fill in the blanks, and those double quotes would still work as a double quotes, wherein before star there would be a software, after star there would be an engineer, but this star could be replaced with any of the word. So we are trying to let Namrata in, but not really sure what's going wrong from her end. Just someone inform her, please. I'm allowing her, but not really sure why she's not able to join. Ask her to maybe restart her system and rejoin. Okay, let's see. We'll just go here and see. Something is wrong. Site linkedin.com /. Something is wrong.
Shiva, I tried giving star in for LinkedIn extra search. It was not working for me.
Okay.
Not today, couple of days back.
Otherwise, remove in title shift. Let that software asterisk engineer be there. Just remove in title and see if it is fetching any results.
Shiv, if we give without double quotes, it is fetching results.
It's yeah. Okay, so again, if we see like software definitely remains where it has to be remained on a left-hand side before the star, which is again playing as a fill in the blanks. So senior software engineer, software development engineer. So software engineer is still here. Senior software engineer, senior software engineer, lead software engineer, lead software engineer.
But it's not working with the in title, right?
And also, Shiv, ideally, senior software engineer should not come up, right? Because after.
Let's see.
No, if you look at the bio, it is coming as software development engineer to software testing engineer. So the placeholder is taking testing, development, different kind of words over there.
No, that is
Ignore
fine,
the
but then there's a
title.
couple of people.
No, ignore the title because we have not used in title. Basically, when we don't use in title, then this part would be given in a in text.
Any part of the web page.
Any part of the web page. So now if you see here, senior QA engineer, senior still remains on the left-hand side and engineer remains on the right-hand side. Star becomes QA. Senior software becomes software becomes that star. Research, mechanical, design, project, electrical, senior again electrical, senior embedded, design, network, test, software. So earlier what we used, let's say software, right? Software star engineer. We are not giving in title, but we are giving a we are not even, neither we are giving a in text. So let's say, okay, so maybe title, maybe a false positive, we might get positive, we might get negative. But when we take a look at a text one, software still on the left hand side, and that star is replaced with development and then engineer on the right hand side. Development. Okay, test, software test engineer, software development, software developer engineer, software test engineer, software test engineer, software developer engineer, software QA engineer, software QA engineer, software design engineer, software developer engineer. Though title is giving something else, but what we're trying to see is like when we have given without any command, without any in title or in text or anything, whatever the keywords we have given, it could be given from anywhere in the page. It could be in the URL, it could be in the title, or it could be in the text part as well. Okay, so maybe titles, we do not have such kind of a title. So that's the reason we when we give the title, we might not get a greater number of result or no result, but let's see few more in title, maybe title, I would say software star. Will this work? I think now in combination with LinkedIn, whenever we give software space star.
Shiv, try doing, yeah, Shiv, try doing software without space, like asterisk.
Okay, software development. Maybe this is the recent development, recent changes by Google, wherein earlier when we give within the codes, software space star space engineer, we were getting in title itself software first, and then the star was getting replaced with any kind of a word, and then engineer used to be as it is as an engineer. But now you see,
Shiv, can you just remove the space after asterisk and see how the results are coming?
we'll do that. So software developer, software development, senior software design, software development, software test, software development, software development, software development, software development, software development. So yeah, that star is still working. It's only that when we are giving a space, then it's not optimized. Maybe a recent changes. Let's see this one. This is also still working. Okay, let's say now this engineer 2, it is there, right? Okay, let's see once more if it is working as it is supposed to be working, where software, a first word, then a star, which could be replaced by any word, and then immediately engineer. So we see that software development engineer, software development engineer, software development engineer, software engineer. Okay, this space, maybe a space, just the space over here, this star. So
I think with this thing, the results are less. If we are removing the spaces, right? Only 21 results have come up, I think.
That we can always do. Yeah, absolutely. The results are also less. Now you have majority of results. Okay, so let's say.
No, that's a huge difference.
That's a huge difference.
71 lakh 70,000.
Yeah, we definitely need that space. Okay, let's say now 2. Okay, is it working as it is supposed to be working? Software star could be replaced by any word or anything after software space engineer space 2, engineer space 2. As a Boolean logic, it's supposed to be as it is. Before engineer space 2, as a Boolean logic, that star could be replaced by any of the words, and before that star, software. That's again as a Boolean logic in title. So site linkedin.com/in, all the results from LinkedIn. In title, Within the double quote, software immediately star. We tried with software space star space engineer. It was supposed to be like that in early days, maybe before a couple of weeks or couple of months, but these are the recent changes I'm also observing, where instead of giving that software space star, we are giving immediately software star and space engineer. So basically a Boolean logic, yeah.
Shiv, actually for me it is working. When I don't give space also, I'm getting quite a good results itself.
When you don't give space.
That software star engineer, if I give together without that space which you have given between star and engineer, I'm getting good results itself.
Great, Bharti. Let us come back to you.
Sure.
You can share your screen and just share it. So here, coming back to the Boolean logic part, in title, now it's supposed to be working such like software that star could be replaced by any of the keyword. Space engineer 2 should be as it is. So software development engineer 2, software development engineer 2, software development engineer 2, software development engineer 2. So let's see this. I'll open some of the false positive results. Software development. Yeah, purely. Engineer 2 remains as it is. Software remains as it is. This development changes to developer also. In most of the results, it's development, but otherwise there's a developer too. I'm trying to see software test engineer 2. Can it be somewhere? Okay, let's see. We mentioned test here. Now this test would work as just the keyword. But if you see now in title, majority of the results, software development engineer 2, software test engineer 2, software test engineer 2, software test engineer 2, software QA engineer 2, software development engineer 2. This test we are not giving in title. We just gave it as a additional keyword. It could be anywhere in the page. The intention was here, when we give without test, majority of the results were only development engineer 2, development engineer 2. So that's the reason I just thought of let's give a test so that we could see the variations of it. And that's where we see now software test engineer 2, software QA engineer 2, software development engineer 2. That test could be anywhere in the page. Software test engineer 2, software QA engineer 2. So that QA, that test, that development, that developer is nothing but basically a star. And software remains the way it's supposed to be in title on the left-hand side as it is. In between, that star replaces test, development, developer, whatever. And on the right-hand side, after that star, engineer 2 remains as it is. QA. And that's again in title. Okay, second software test engineer 2, one other false positive result. So for 2 false positive. 3 false positive. That is anyway, it would be because earlier also we covered in our session, because these kind of false positive results we get because Google still remembers a data. Though these people would have changed recently their title, but Google still remembers the previous data. And that's where we get some of the false positives. Software quality engineer 2, software quality engineer 2. But let's still see. So 4 false positive, but otherwise as a logic, if I see, that seems to be working and that seems to be accurate. Feel free to push back or ask some follow-up questions. Software development engineer 2, again here in the title. Software test engineer 2, again here in the title. Software engineer. Software development engineer 2, again here in the title. Software test engineer. Senior software test engineer 2 here. Software test engineer 2, again here in the title. So though When we seen on actual result, those seems to be a false positive, but when we open the result, that's again seems to be a most accurate ones. So the understanding, having an understanding, the reason we covered this example, because having an understanding of double quotes, which would give us a result of a phrase as it is definitely correct, but within the double quotes, we can still include that particular star. Similarly, let's say software star engineer to test .5 star. Now, if you see, this is again Boolean in Boolean. 3.5 ... which is again a Boolean logic, which would give us a results which has that 3 to 5 number, 3.1, 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, like that, 5.1, 5.2, 5.10, 5.9, 5.12, whatever. Star. Years, people could write YARS, YRS, or whatever, plus YRS, YARS, anything. Then people might write experience. This is still within the double quotes. This here double quote is starting. This is still within the double quotes. First thing in title, software, immediately star, space engineer, space 2, double quote. This seems to be working. Again, space test, that just goes as a keyword. Starting with again double quotes, 3 ... which is again a Boolean logic to get a result of results, which has that numbering, minimum 3 to maximum 5. It can go for a 5.2, 5.3, whatever, because again, there's a star over here. And then experience. This star could be replaced by 5 plus, 5.10, 5.6, 5.3, 5.2, anything. And then experience. Yeah, so here it is, 5 plus years of. So that years of, again a star, 5 years, 4.6. As I mentioned, minimum 3 up to 5, 5.10, whatever, like this, 5 plus 5.10, 5.12. And I think it could go to 4.6. 5 years experience. 3 user experience. Again, this user, that might be a bulleting, not accurately for the years of experience. That might be a person mentioned in a bullet, 1, 2, 3, like that. That's where we got 3 dot and user experience. 4 plus years of experience. 5 plus 7 by 5, 5 plus years of experience. 3 plus years of work experience. 3 years of experience. 3 years and half experience. That star, the complete star, 3 years and half is again complete star. We no need to mention 2 star or 3 star to take that 2, 3 word. 1 star also. Huh? 1 star also will get all those number of words. It's basically a simple, it's a fill in the blanks. In fill in the blanks, it could be 1 word, it could be 2 word, it could be 3 word. So years of words, yeah.
So if we remove this space after 5, so now we have 41 results, right? So I think will be more than get in that above string 3 ... 5 space as the result, right? So if we remove that space after 5, will we get more results than?
So this star is pretty much open-ended. I think there's some changes going on a Google Boolean logic. That's where when we remove the space, when we keep the space, the numbers are differing. Let's see the numbers without space. So now we did not get it. Here in this case, when we had a space, we did not get it. But when we remove the space, we get it when we are checking for in title. But here it is just the text format. When we remove the space, it's not giving us a result. But when we keep a space, it's giving us a results. So there are definitely some changes happening.
Okay.
And also, Shiv, one asterisk will accommodate, I'm sure, like, how many keywords. Say, for example, in one, it said 3 years of experience, right? Can you just scroll down? You were just referring to that example.
3 years work, 3 plus years. So these are
Plus
3 words.
years work.
Okay, years work,
So
2 work.
plus
year of,
years and work, all three come under what is asterisk only, right? So
years,
likewise,
all
how
three
many
come under the
keywords?
asterisk only, one asterisk only. Fill in the blanks is simple fill in the blanks. Star is simple fill in the blanks. We don't really have to give 3 star so that we think that, okay, if I give 3 star, then I would get that 3 words. Not required. 1 star would consume all the number of words. But what's
Any
the
limit
logic?
there?
Within the double quotes, 3 should be on the left hand side. It should start with 3. Between star, that star could be any number of word or any of the word or any of the special character like plus, minus, forward slash, dot, hyphen or anything. And at the end, it should be the experience. That's a Boolean logic. Within the quotes, we want something which is starting with 3 or any other number between 3 to 5. That star should be replaced by any of the word or special character. And in spite of number of words, something like year and half, it could be 1 word, it could be 2 word, it could be 3 word, it could be 4 word. But a logic says it should end with the experience within the double quote. Logic says it should start with 3 to 5 any number, that star, which could replace any number of character or a words. And then it says space experience, which should end with experience. And this is what it's doing. 5 years of. Yes, Satish, you had some question?
Is there any limit there? Say, for example, 3 years and half, right? Years and half. So these were the keywords
words,
that
right?
asterisk accommodated, right?
Yeah.
So is there any limit there?
No, nothing like that.
Okay.
So generally, if you see 5, okay. So months of managerial, again here it's 3. 5 plus years of. But what's the logic? It should start with any number between 3 to 5. And then that star could be replaced with any number or word or special character. But on the right hand side, it should end with experience. And that's what the simple Boolean logic working here. So now if you see in title, when we are using space star, it's not working in combination with LinkedIn especially. But wherein in text, when we are giving a 3 dot dot star, it's working. And when we remove that space between 5 and star, it's not working. There are definitely changes, but this is how we capture the changes. Yeah.
We have written test instead of text in the logic itself. TEST. Can you check just before 5, 3 and 5?
This is
engineer
test.
2 slash.
That is just the test as a keyword.
Okay, got it.
This does not have any operator. It is just the keyword.
Okay.
So here, as we have operator site, here we have operator title in title. Here we do not have any operator. Here we have an operator double quotes. Here we have an operator double quotes. Here we have an operator star. But wherein for the test, it's just the additional keyword. Even though 3.5 space star space experience is also a keyword, but those keywords has some special operator where we are giving a command to Google saying that give us a result which has minimum 3 to maximum 5, 5 plus whatever up to 6, and that star replace it with any number of word, character or special character. It could be 1 word, 2 word or 3 word or 4 word, whatever it could be, and then end with experience with the double quotes. And that's where we see it's starting with that and it's ending with it. So let's say I'll just take a pause. Any doubts? We might get disconnected in next 7 to 8 minutes. Please relog in again using the same login details.
Sure, this Boolean applies for other portals.
What, Sharma?
This Boolean in Boolean logic, this applies for Naukri and other job portals as well, right?
This applies for LinkedIn. This applies for Monster. Naukri, not really sure whether this would apply or not.
Okay.
Okay, but this applies definitely on a LinkedIn Recruiter. We'll come there. on which all the sites it applies, but good question. That applies on Naukri. I'm not really sure, but it applies on Monster. Monster is really strong at Boolean. I've been seeing Monster from the day one of my career. It's really strong at Boolean. Naukri, not really sure. Sometimes it applies, sometimes not. Because Naukri is more conservative in searches. It has its own logic. More than the Boolean, it has its own logic. But wherein LinkedIn is, again, LinkedIn understands a proper Boolean. So those star might not be understandable by LinkedIn, but we'll show you some examples. Yeah, Joita.
I did not understand how it became Boolean in Boolean. There is no bracket. After that, I mean.
Okay, within the
I did
double
not
quotes, we are
understand.
using star. That is a Boolean operator.
Right.
Double quotes Boolean operator.
Okay.
Dot 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 Boolean operator.
Okay.
So that's again a Boolean in Boolean. That's a one way of Boolean in Boolean. We'll come to the brackets, but on a very basic level language or a very basic level understanding, this is again a Boolean in Boolean. Boolean in
So
Boolean.
you're saying quotation itself is a operator, right?
Quotation itself is the operator.
Right. So how come it is becoming that under this? So we are using 2-3 operators which we have used before also, right?
Before
so how
also.
come that search and this search is different?
No, it's not different. It's just that we didn't call out earlier Boolean and Boolean because it might get confused in the early stages.
Okay.
So that's reason I just wanted to get it to some advanced level so that everyone has understanding of the basic. And then we go to the little advance of Boolean and Boolean. That's where I thought of calling it right now would be the right time.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Otherwise, if I call up in the beginning of the session, then we might get confused.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so again, as I mentioned, like those double quotes are again a Boolean operator. Star is again a Boolean operator. 3.5. That dot is again a Boolean operator. That's where we say it a Boolean in Boolean. So it's just that a timing of calling out is a different, but it doesn't mean that it's not Boolean in Boolean. And it doesn't has to be only a bracket. It could be within the double quotes also. I believe it was Namrata. Namrata, I think it was you who was telling the double quotes means the results would be as it is, as a phrase. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes.
Yeah, so no.
Yeah, we heard this in last session, right?
Yeah, yeah. So double quotes definitely means. You
are keeping test here, right? Last in that these two double quote in between there is a test, right? Because of that is his taking. Last time I missed that. I thought it was also in quote. So
no, test is just the other keyword. Instead of test, you can take anything.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because of that is coming. It is right. It is picking either of the word, right? Either from this bracket or that bracket. Earlier whatever the search you kept in last session. So
Okay,
we had a discussion on that.
No, we are not going back on this search. We have anything? Any questions on this search?
Yes, sure. Sometime I have seen some couple of people write 2, 3 asterisk. Is this change a result or result is the same? Because I thought result would be not different, but many people have seen they keep 2, 3 asterisk.
In fact, not required actually. See, asterisk is nothing.
Not required, right?
Not required. It will take.
It's not means it won't change any result, right? Because I feel that it won't change result, but I'm asking from you to confirmation because I don't know exactly.
It's again not required. Now, in case of that 49 became 43. 43.
Because usually I use one only.
One is enough. Keep it simple. One is enough. So when we say
another question. I mean, the same query which has been written, if I am trying to execute that, I'm getting 4,000 plus results.
Okay, the reason because my search setting has 50 results per page. If I change it to 10 results per page, I would also be able to see those 4,000, 5,000 results, but actual results are only 43. Google will not allow us to view all the results beyond 400, 350, 400 now. The actual results are only 43 in fact. let me repeat the search with, I do not have an option of that as well. So let's say,
So even if you change the settings to 100 results per page, okay, max is 300 results that we'll be able to see, right?
Yeah. If you go to
400. Let me
if
just
you go to directly jump to 6th or 7th page, then there would be no results. Then you'll get the right results.
absolutely.
And recently also Google has changed their algorithm, because I have seen somewhere
It keeps
they are
changing.
changing lots of. Huh?
And now it's keep changing. So let's say now we make
Yeah.
it 10 results per page.
Recently they have changed.
Save it. Okay. Now this same search, which is giving 43 when it was of 50 results per page, just refresh, and it's giving me 4,000 results per page. But the actual results are only 43. If you see here, you can see only 2 pages.
Yeah, interesting.
And if we change it to let's say 100, save it. Same search, refresh. That becomes only 20 now.